Aloha, welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's session, we are going to tackle about the homeroom guidance of Grade 4, for Quarter 4, Module 13, entitled, Get Involved and Feel Alright. Introductory message. For the learner, the previous module helped you get connected with your family, school, and community by showing care and giving help to others. In this module, you will be guided on learning how to be a more responsible member of the community. As a young citizen, you should develop self-empowerment and ability to respond to the needs of your community. This module consists of 6 interactive activities for you to follow, namely, Let's Try This, which will help you get ready to learn. Let's Explore This, which will guide you towards what you need to learn, keep in mind, which will give you the lessons that you need to learn and understand. You Can Do It, which will help you apply the lessons learned in daily activities. What I Have Learned, which will test and evaluate your learning, and share your thoughts and feelings, which will help you express your thoughts. Opinions and feelings. You can ask help from your parent or guardian if you need some clarifications about the activities. Have fun learning. Stay safe and healthy. Learning objectives. At the end of this module, you are expected to 1. Identify ways on how to respond to the needs of the community, 2. Develop a sense of self-empowerment and ability to take part in discovering possible solutions to community issues, and 3. Share personal contributions that may result to solving community and global issues. Introduction. As you grow older, you start to be more aware of the things around you. You become more independent and responsible as you explore the world you live in. The kind of environment you have has an impact to your learning and development as a person. As a young member of your community, you are encouraged to be involved in discovering solutions to the present problems. Remember, no matter how big or small your contribution is, this will give a positive impact to the betterment of your community. Let's review. In Module 12, you learned the importance of understanding yourself and your relationship with others. This helped you develop a sense of responsibility as a member of your family, school, and community. Through the given activities, you also learned that as a young learner, you can do something to help others even in your little way. For your first activity, which is the Let's Try This, you are going to do the Community I Live In activity. Your neighborhood where you live in has an impact on your life as you grow. Walking around your place is a great way to take a closer look at your community. Number 1. With the help of your parent or guardian, create your own picture of the community you live in. Make map. Do this on a piece of paper. 2. Draw the 4 sides around your house. Name the streets, green spaces, houses, shops, and other places you think are important. 3. Be creative in illustrating your work and make it colorful. 4. An example is given below to guide you. And 5. Answer the processing questions. This is the example of your first activity. After doing the first activity, you may now answer this 3 processing questions. Number 1. What did you feel while doing the activity? 2. What can you say about the community you live in? And 3. How do you connect with the people in your community? For your Let's Explore This activity, you are going to do the footprints activity. Think of the places around your community that you've been to or passed through when you're walking around your neighborhood. Remember the people you've met and the moments you had with them. Then do the next activity by following the instructions below. Number 1. On a piece of paper, trace your footprints using your pen or pencil. And 2. On the left footprint, write at least 5 things that you like about your community. 3. On the right footprint, write at least 5 common problems that you observed in your community. And 4. You may also use your coloring materials to present it creatively. After doing the Let's Explore This activity, you may now proceed on answering this 3 processing questions. Number 1. What do you like the most about your community? 2. What is the most common problem that you observed in your community? And 3. As a grade 4 learner, how can you help to make your community a better place to live in? Now you must keep this in mind. Getting involved in your community. Aside from your family and school, your community plays an important role in your development as an individual. Recognizing your ability to contribute and taking an active role in helping your community will empower you to become a responsible young citizen. Sharing your contribution to the community, no matter how big or small it is, will help you develop these 4 C's. 1. Competence. By actively participating in the community activities, you discover new interests and talents. 2. Confidence. When you carry out responsibilities, you become more confident about yourself because you're able to show what you can do. 3. Connection. You create connections with other people. Most importantly, you learn the importance of giving and receiving, sharing during times of plenty, and asking for help during difficult times are normal, healthy things for people to do. 4. Character. When you contribute, it develops good character within you, such as responsibility, kindness, and caring. You can contribute in your community in many ways. These may include the following: 1. Donating used clothes and old books or toys to those in need. 2. Collecting things that can be reused or recycled. 3. Volunteering in activities about taking care of the environment. 4. Helping cleaning up the neighborhood. 5. Doing acts of kindness and courtesy to others, such as helping your neighbor in cleaning their front yard or carrying the grocery bags of your friend's grandmother. Remember, even a small contribution may go a long way. You are an important member of the community and you can help in your own simple ways. Get involved. For your You Can Do It activity, you are going to do the I Am Involved activity. 1. Go back to your answers from the previous activity. From the listed problems that you observed in your community, choose one which you can take part in discovering solutions. 2. Make a campaign poster showing a picture that tells about the activity that you want to promote. 3. Write a good title and a brief description about your campaign. And 4. Use a clean piece of paper. You may also use coloring materials. Here are the given example for you. After you've finished the You Can Do It activity, you may now answer this 3 processing questions. Number 1. What does your campaign poster promote? Briefly describe it. 2. How can you encourage others to join in your campaign? And 3. In what way does taking part in community activities help you? To test what you have learned in this module, you are now going to do the What I Have Learned activity. 4 corners. This time, you will be asked to share what you have learned from the previous activities and discussion about getting involved in the community. Read and follow the instructions given in each corner of the table, then copy and answer the activity on a piece of paper. Lastly, you are now going to share your thoughts and feelings. Random act of kindness. Share at least 5 simple acts of kindness and courtesy that you did to others, and how did you feel after doing it? An example is given to guide you in answering, then copy and answer the activity on a piece of paper.